What's up, eDiscovery viewers? Today, update is gonna be from Shirley's desk, and maybe a couple of words from John over there as well. But first, we're gonna join Shirley here for a minute, and we want to talk about some of the interesting and exciting things that happened here over the last couple of weeks. Right, Shirley?
So, first thing, we reached 500.
We reached 500 followers on LinkedIn. Now, I know it's really a small amount for most of the companies, but we're just starting out, so it's a big deal for us, and we're very proud of that.
And now we gotta touch 1,000. Right?
That's right.
Easy.
Another thing, if you missed video where Donnie, our director of forensics, flies his drone and blows out candles on his cake with it, you should definitely check that out.
That's
A couple
amazing.
of other videos to let you know about. What are they, Shirley?
Well, one of them would be the shortcuts in the e-discovery process.
Oh, that's right. Me and Kieran talked about different shortcuts that we tend to take in the discovery process, and the ones that are good and the ones that are bad, you know, how they backfire and so on.
And how they can definitely
And-
help you save money
That's true.
on your bill, yep.
And the other one, me and Kieran went over recent SEC specs that have been released. So that might be an interesting video for you too, especially if you're producing to SEC. And that's it. That's the update from Shirley's desk.
Oh, no, it's not. That's not. That's not
That's
it.
not it.
Happy
What-
Thanksgiving.
That's right. Happy
That's tomorrow.
Thanksgiving, which is tomorrow, and we'll be back. Oh, we will have a Friday video for you guys when we went ice skating. So even if you're working from home, make sure you check out that video. And happy Thanksgiving. Bye.
Bye.
Wait. Be sure to follow eDiscovery on social networks listed on your screen.
Yes.
And for previous videos, check us out where?
YouTube.
Yeah, you got it.
got it.
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye.